Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, tie your hairs nicely into the section, pull it inside out. Now divide the hairs into two sections as shown in the video. Now repeat the process very nicely and gently and then accessorize it with the help of a hair clip and it's all done. For next one, tie your hairs nicely with the help of the elastic and then take the remaining hairs, wrap it around as shown in the video and then fix it all together with the help of a hair clip and then pull out the hairs and it's all done. For the next one, tie your hairs into the two sections and then make the bun out of it, attach it nicely and it's all done. For next one, take a hair clip or the bun clip and then start taking the smaller sections out of the remaining hairs, roll it nicely and then attach it all together. It will be looking like this. Now fix your hair nicely and then it's all done. For next one, make a ponytail or tie your hairs nicely and pull it inside out. It will be looking like this. Now divide the hairs into two sections and then start making the bun out of it. Accessorize it nicely and then it's all done. For next one, make a ponytail or tie your hairs nicely and then with the help of a hair clip, do it as shown in the video. It will be looking like this and it's all done. Thanks for watching.